Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Rama Hidayat from Computer Engineering Class 2B with number BP 2001282027. In this video, I will summarize what material we have learned during this half semester. This is an English for Communication course. This course focuses more on communication, which is useful for stabilizing business relationship and also to make it easier to understand clients from different countries. In this course, we will focus a lot on communication related to technology, computer, information management, and other technology. At the beginning of learning, the lecture will provide stigma which is useful for training students. Confidence in speaking English. The most important thing is to have the courage to try and dare to try new things. Okay, at the beginning of the lesson, we will be asked to make a short self-introduction video in which we introduce yourself. There will be some data about yourself that will make it easier for lecturers and students to interact with each other, such as the first sentence, which is greeting sentence that might have helped. Hello, hi, good morning sir, good morning everyone, and so. This is so that we are judged to be more polite at the initial introduction because the initial interaction determines what will be in the future. Okay. Then we convey to intention to greet that person if we want to introduce yourself. So convey it with a good opening sentence like, okay, let me introduce myself. Okay, after that we can briefly introduce your personal data such as my name is, usually people call me is, and we can also mention your residential address like I live at this address. Okay, and after all the personal data we'll talk about, then we thank you for your attention for listening to use introduce yourself. And don't forget to always make eye contact with someone we want to introduce yourself to. Always be polite and courteous to the person in front of you, and after that also say thank you. In the first week of the second meeting, we discuss introducing yourself more professionally in the field of work and scope of work where you want to introduce yourself. It's not much different from introducing yourself before, only more professional and more formal by using standard everyday words. At the next meeting, we will discuss the importance of English in the world, which is where English is very important to the world because most of the modules that contain learning English are the best IT modules. And furthermore, if we want to have extraordinary work partners, then we must have a global language, namely English, and most of the tutorial in the world still use English. That's why we must understand what English and how important English is for us. That were even at professional stage, if we want to go a company that is more compatible and more competitive in its class, we are also required to master the global standard language, namely English, where your partner or boss and the people we know in the world must also speak English. So we must be able to adapt to their language so that when there is a talk, when there is a deadline, or there is something we don't know, we can easily ask your colleagues and your boss. At the fourth meeting, we also discussed how important English is the world, which at this meeting we discussed in more depth what is the importance of English in this world, and it is meant per group, and each group explain what the importance of English in this world. And what we can conclude earlier is that English is very important for the world because the rapid development of technology requires us to be able to chat with many people and use on standard language used throughout the world, namely English. Therefore, English is very important for children who want to dive deeper into the world or who have studied in the world. And at this meeting, we also discuss asking opinion and giving opinion, namely how to give a good opinion and how to give a good answer. Asking opinion is also based on formal sentence and informal sentence, and giving opinion is also based on formal and informal sentence. That is, so that your partner are not offended if we want to ask and answer something. And at the first meeting we did in office class, and in the class we discussed about a young person who is in the world and become the youngest software engineer at this age. And then at the sixth meeting we also do class of length, which discuss the vocabulary in English. That is, we memorize 10 pieces. Then we go ahead and get a score, namely vocabulary related to that word. And this meeting I was late in entering, so I had to be punished you front and say 10 words of vocabulary in that word, and thank God everything was answered by me, and finally I was allowed to answer, but I don't get value. And at the seventh meeting we did offline class, discuss what students aspire to in this world and why the students have them, and I chose to become a cloud engineer because there are still many job opportunities and few people, because I still like networking and cloud computing. At the eighth meeting we discussed the simple present tense, which is an important basic lesson in this world, and this we learn starting from elementary, middle school to high school, and even at college. This lesson is still not sitting because of the lack of focus on learning this, and there is no intention to learning English, but because Miss Passion, so Miss is leading us all to better understand the simple present tense in its kids. And at this meeting we will also make a drama related to your future. At that time our group made a drama about a reunion in which the drama asked about your student. And at the ninth meeting and 10th term we did an online class where we were still discussing the work in IT that was done on Zoom. And Zoom is very fun because Miss is very humor coupled with student behavior that makes students excited for college. And at the 11th meeting we discussed jobs in the world that discussed Google as a software engineer. And at 12th meeting we also discussed jobs in the world, in the ask of filling in the missing sentence in dialogue which we must fill earnestly and correctly. And at 13, 14, 15 and 16 meeting we discuss computer software and computer system, where at this meeting we discuss what is in the computer and what are the system used in computer, so that we can name all the names. The name is in English. And then at this meeting we also discuss about the various colors or various objects and what can be mentioned in English, so that we also increase your vocabulary in learning English. Okay, at the 17 and 18 meeting It was a meeting collect assessment to make this video. Where this assessment am to fulfill current semester grades. Well, I'm Rama Hidayat. Thank you for your taking time to listen to my short video, which is relates to what you have learned during this half semester. Alright, thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.